Your E-Trade account might not be approved for trading due to regulatory compliance and risk assessment. The primary reasons include know your customer failures, where identity, address, or source of funds couldn't be verified. Anti-money laundering checks might have flagged your application, indicating potential illicit fund sources. Incomplete data, mismatched information, or issues with submitted documents are also common culprits. A high-risk profile or the type of account requested can impact approval. Finally, failed identity checks or red flags like frequent IP changes can prevent approval. Common barriers to E-Trade account approval can often be resolved with careful attention to detail. Let's examine the main issues and their solutions. First, incomplete data submissions are a common issue. Carefully review your application for any errors or missing information before submitting to avoid rejection. Second, failed identity verification often occurs when documents aren't clear or valid. Make sure all government-issued IDs are current, legible, and properly scanned. Third, anti-money laundering flags require additional proof of legitimate fund sources. Be prepared to submit bank statements or pay stubs showing the origin of your trading capital. Fourth, using a VPN can trigger security flags during verification. Temporarily disable your VPN when submitting documents to ensure smooth processing. Finally, non-US residents should ensure they meet all specific documentation requirements and be prepared for potential delays due to international regulations and additional compliance checks. Once your E-Trade account is verified, you'll gain immediate access to trading equities, allowing you to buy and sell stocks through the platform. For more advanced trading like options or futures, additional approvals are typically required. These involve detailed assessments of your trading experience, financial background, and risk tolerance to ensure you're prepared for these complex instruments. If you want to engage in margin trading, which lets you borrow money to increase your position size, you'll need to pass a credit check and demonstrate compliance with pattern day trading rules, especially if your account balance is under $25,000. Finally, take time to familiarize yourself with E-Trade's platform interface and the educational resources available, such as tutorials and market analysis tools, to start trading responsibly and make informed decisions. E-Trade operates under strict regulations designed to protect investors and maintain market integrity. Regulation SP focuses on privacy, requiring brokers like E-Trade to safeguard customer records and dispose of them securely to prevent data breaches. Regulation T establishes margin trading rules, including credit limits and pattern day trading restrictions, to manage risk in leveraged accounts. These regulations protect investors by preventing unauthorized trading, market manipulation, and fraud, as shown in illustrations of manipulative practices. Failure to comply with these regulations can lead to account freezes, trading restrictions, or penalties from the SEC and FINRA. Staying informed about these regulations and E-Trade's policies ensures compliance and helps maintain a successful trading account. Real-world examples show how common issues affect E-Trade account approvals. Many users experience delays or rejections due to simple document errors. Delays or rejections often stem from mismatched addresses or incomplete forms. The solution is usually to resubmit corrected documents. International investors sometimes face hurdles due to EU-US data transfer regulations. This requires GDPR-compliant solutions to proceed. Cases of identity spoofing underscore the importance of secure verification processes, such as biometric re-verification. These examples underscore the need for meticulous attention to detail and proactive communication with E-Trade to resolve verification issues. Financial experts emphasize proactive verification, highlighting that incomplete KYC is a major cause of trading access issues. Statistics show that a significant percentage of brokerage rejections are due to verification failures. E-Trade's verification process is generally better than the industry average, but there's still room for improvement. AI-verified approvals are on the rise, promising faster and more accurate processing in the future. Looking ahead, account verification at E-Trade and similar platforms will evolve with several key trends shaping the future. First, expect a shift towards zero trust verification models with continuous monitoring, replacing traditional one time checks to combat rising cyber threats. Blockchain based identity solutions are emerging, potentially speeding up approval times significantly by providing secure, decentralized verification. Hybrid verification for crypto linked accounts is becoming more common, blending traditional checks with decentralized finance approaches. AI automation will continue to reduce human error in reviews, leading to more efficient and accurate verification processes. However, stricter regulations, especially in crypto, may increase rejection rates. Be prepared for environmental and sustainability checks for ESG-focused trading. These evolving trends will make account verification more secure and efficient, though with some increased scrutiny.